The chapter Water Resources, chapter 11 is continue. Before examination, I had started this chapter, but I could not complete, and I had asked few questions from this chapter. Those were taught. After that, we are going to start the new topics. Irrigation. In irrigation, at first we will study the introduction of irrigation. The definition of irrigation, we can say that watering of plants, watering of agricultural plants is called irrigation. And this irrigation is too much important because Indian farmers are using 92% of total available water for irrigation purpose. 2% is used for industries and 6% is used for drinking water and domestic purposes. So in this distribution of water, we can say the irrigation is essential part in which the water is consumed. And the main source of water is rainwater, and in India 55% of total net sown area depends on rainwater, but the remaining 45% depends on artificial means of irrigation. It is very important to increase the production because day by day the population is increasing, demand of grains, demand of agricultural products are increasing. So all these problems are faced by the farmers, and farmers are trying to increase their grains, increase their production from the agricultural fields. In this, to increase the production of the agricultural field, this irrigation is very important, while only 55% of total net sown area depends on rainfall, but remaining 45% depends on irrigation means of artificial means of irrigation. So this was the introduction. As we see the history of irrigation, then this irrigation is practiced. This irrigation has been practiced from ancient time. In the ancient civilization, Harappa civilization or Indus Valley civilization, we have the evidences. So we can say that irrigation was practiced that time. After that, also we have so many evidences, and we can prove that in ancient time also irrigation was practiced frequently. Now, in the next topic, we'll see why is irrigation important for Indian farmers. Irrigation is important because the farmers need to increase the production from the agricultural field as the demand of agricultural products are increasing in the market to supply this production to the increased population, and this increase in production depends on irrigation facilities. Therefore, irrigation is important. And now in this topic we will see why is irrigation important. Irrigation is important due to following reasons. The first is uncertainty of rainfall. Indian rainfall is uncertain due to early arrival or late arrival of monsoon. These two, early arrival or late arrival of monsoon, affects the rainfall. And while the rainfall is affected, then the agriculture is also affected and the production is also affected. And while this is not certain arrival or departure of the monsoon, then rainfall is also irregular. Sometimes it will rain at proper time and sometimes it will not rain at proper time. So in this situation, the farmers will depend on the artificial means of irrigation. And second is rainfall. Season of rainfall is very short. Those are the months of June, July and August. Indian farmers get rainfall mainly in these 3 months, June, July and August. and the remaining months of the year remain dry. And this much short period is not enough to fulfill the demand of the market, to fulfill the demand of the increased population that has to face the farmers. Farmers need to increase the production. So these 3 months are not enough to complete the demand of the farmers for irrigation. Therefore, the farmers depend on artificial means of irrigation.
And action.
Second point is uneven distribution of rainfall. Due to uneven distribution of rainfall, also the farmers depend on the artificial system of irrigation. First of all, we'll understand what is this uneven distribution of rainfall. Means the rainfall is not equally distributed throughout the country. Some parts of the country get heavy rainfall, some parts of the country gets less rainfall. Some parts of the country get more than 250 centimeter, that is the amount of heavy rainfall, and some parts of the country lies in the scanty rainfall, that is less than 50 centimeter annually rainfall. So while we find this type of uneven distribution of rainfall, so the farmers do not get rainwater for irrigation, especially in the areas where rainfall is low or scanty. Therefore, the farmers of that region depends on artificial means of irrigation. 80% rainfall occurs due to southwest monsoon winds that we have studied in the chapter of climate. 80% rainfall occurs from southwest monsoon winds in the month of June and September. And the remaining months remain dry. This is also one cause that the farmers depend on the artificial means of irrigation. Now we see the distribution of rainfall in different areas of India. First is 250 centimeter. This is the heavy rainfall, enough for irrigation purpose. And this much amount of rainfall is found in the Western Ghats. Not only in the Western Ghats, we say northeastern India and Western Ghats, and other states are also there. Those are not mentioned in the book, such as the Andaman Nicobar Island Group and the Lakshadweep Island Group. Next distribution is 100 to 200 centimeter. This is the moderate rainfall. That is also good. That supplies enough water for irrigation purpose to farmers, to Indian farmers. This much amount of rainfall is found in northern plains and in eastern peninsula. Okay, 100 to 200 centimeter, that comes under the moderate rainfall. That is enough to supply water for irrigation purpose. But this much amount of rainfall is found only in northern plains and the eastern peninsula. Third distribution is 50 to 100 centimeter rain. This is counted as low rainfall regions, or we say arid regions. Very low rainfall. This amount of rainfall is not enough to supply water to the Indian farmers for irrigation purpose. This much amount of rainfall is found in Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and half of Rajasthan. So especially the farmers of these regions, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and half of Rajasthan, depends on artificial means of irrigation. Therefore, artificial means of irrigation is important for Indian farmers while they have to increase the agriculture production to fulfill the demand of the market.